Musamseleku's wives Makhumalo Mangwabe Mayeni and Macele, they were celebrating Musamseleku's sister Nompumelelo's bride shower because she was getting married in polygamy. So Makhumalo was the one who started gave her advice because she is getting married with a man who is already married like them. So Makhumalo, when she started giving her advice, Macele looked at Makhumalo with an eye and she didn't say anything. And Mayeni Mangwabe, they gave her advice, the three of them. The person who didn't say anything is Macele, because Macele was the one who supposed to give her advice that to be in polygamy marriage is not easy. You understand? Macele was supposed to give her an advice like Musamseleku's sister. You understand? I don't understand Macele's attitude, how she can do her things. I don't think that Nompumelelo and Macele, they are getting along, because at that time Macele, when she was married to Musamseleku, they were staying in Musumbe together. Nompumelelo, Musamseleku and Macele, but Nompumelelo, she looks like she is very open to Makhumalo Mangwabe Mayeni than Macele, because Macele was supposed to be too close to Nompumelelo more than other wives. Macele didn't give Nompumelelo an advice. Nompumelelo looked to Macele. Macele didn't say anything. She took her bag and leave. I don't understand, because Macele was supposed to give Nompumelelo an advice, because Macele is Musamseleku's first wife. You understand how Nompumelelo she feels, and I saw that Nompumelelo was not okay by the way Macele she behaves. Even at Nompumelelo's wedding, Makhumalo was the one who was in order to make sure that everything is okay on that members everything, but Macele, sometimes they look like they are not getting along with the Nompumelelo. Even the way she looks to other wives, because the Makhumalo says to be in polygamy, everyone is focusing with their marriage. Even they are married to one husband, but Imayeni have got her husband, Macele her husband. You understand the way Makhumalo advice Nompumelelo, that advice was not okay. I hate Makhumalo with her passion, guys. We don't want to lie. And Makhumalo accept it. Now that she hates her with a passion. When Makhumalo, she started open a mouth, it's like maybe she, even those things is making sense. But to hear, even Makhumalo can open her mouth, as long as Makhumalo, though that issue can't be solved sometimes. You understand it? So guys, the way she is behaving, that woman Musamseleku's first wife, I don't understand here now why she is okay with Makwela. But when it comes to other wives, you can still see her mood, guys. I saw that video. Macele took her back and left without saying anything at Musamseleku's bride shower. It's yeah sister-in-law. Nompumelelo is Macele's sister-in-law. You understand? But she left without telling anyone that she is leaving. I don't understand. And the problem is Musamseleku sometimes. Musamseleku doesn't tell Macele that sometimes those things your behavior, you have to think about the way you are acting. Sometimes it's not okay. You understand? Musamseleku doesn't want to tell Macele the truth, the way sometimes she can behave in front of other wives, and other wives, they'll end up not being comfortable. Macele can make sure that every time when they are together, she can say something or to react on something that they are not being comfortable. You understand? So those wives nowadays, they don't care. That's why they are, when we saw them on season 9 or season 7, they are together at trip. Macele can saw them together on television. They can be happy. They don't care that she is there or not, because they are tired since season 1. Since season 1 to season 5, they are tired of her reactions. Macele can react or to answer something that they are not she can make sure that they are not comfortable, those wives. And now they have got a trigger together. Now they can respond here again food.